Wellness Private Limited. The world is vast and filled with discrimination. Discrimination based on language, caste, creed, color, and religion no longer exists. The entire population is now encompassed within the discrimination based on rich and poor. If one is born poor, it is not his mistake. But if he dies poor, that's his mistake. Money is no longer a luxury but the most basic necessity. Not just for food, clothing and shelter, but for the education of children, emergency medical needs, etc. It is money that is needed more than friends or family, and this is an undeniable truth. What is the yardstick for measuring a certain person in the society? It is money. It is this money that escalates your status from a random person to a respectable person in the society. So, is just money sufficient? What about health? Isn't health the real wealth? After all, only if there is a wall can there be a painting. A healthy life, a prosperous life, one surrounded by friends and well-wishers, an elevated status in society, one that you're proud of and filled with achievements, and ultimately the one that helps improve the lives of the downtrodden is a fulfilled and complete life. An organization that aims at achieving such a life. Started in January 2018, it is an organization that has attained tremendous growth globally. Founded by just 4 members, today it has produced over thousands of achievers and lakhs of those who have benefited. With the single objective of making available a fulfilled life even to the common man, this is the world's only organization moving towards success. Vevetos, positively towards success. Nature has showered us with a lot of blessings. The nature that created the world created human beings too. Not just that, it takes responsibility for all our needs. We were bestowed with the purest form of resources like food, water, air, sunlight, the right temperature by Mother Nature. But man, due to his greed, has polluted everything and has fallen prey to his own actions. Air pollution has led to respiratory problems. Water pollution has led to contagious diseases. And pollution in the food he eats has led to nutrition deficiency, obesity, and the myriad other problems. The Tamil poet Valluvar has said, "Do a favor to your wrongdoer, and only nature has always lived by it." No matter how many diseases humankind creates, the cure also is provided by nature. The rare products of nature have the prowess to cure any disease sans the side effects caused by artificial medicines, believes Dr. T.S. Chellakumarasamy, MBBS, DPMR, MD, PMR, FIPM, who also heads the Medical and Scientific Advisory Board and the Research and Development Team. Along with him, 3 others, namely Mr. N. Lazarus Yabes, MBA, Chief Executive Officer, Vevetos, Mr. J.J. Jayashriram, MCOM, Chief Operations Head, Vevetos, and Mr. B. Sam Vijay Praveen, BABL, Vice President, Vevetos. All 4 of them head Vevetos today. Mr. N. Lazarus Yabes, CEO of Vevetos, he lays down all the strategies for Vevetos, bearing in mind the vision and growth of the organization. In the year 2000, he started his work in the field of nutrition and network, has trained more than thousands in this field for over 18 years, and is also an unparalleled example of honesty, sincerity, and hard work. With the experience gained by working in companies like BPL, he also has expertise in service, logistics, and warehousing. Mr. J.J. Jayashriram, the Chief Operations Head of Vevetos, is also an experienced person in finance and operations, functions, accounting, tax, supply chain, warehouse management, distribution, and logistics. Since 1998, he has been in the field of network and nutrition for more than 20 years. His experience of working in some of the topmost firms, combined with his own knowledge gained from governing his own mind, has proved him to be a pillar of strength for the organization. Mr. B. Sam Vijay Praveen. He serves as the Vice President of Vevetos and also possesses profound knowledge of business, strategic, sales and marketing functions, ethics and compliance by implementation and enforcement of member rules and guidelines. He has been a leading advocate for 15 years and has also set foot in the field of nutrition and networking from the year 1999 and is undeniably one of the strengths of the organization. Founded by 4 people as a small organization, in a short span of time has become one of the large organizations in India and is acknowledged as one of the fastest growing organizations of the world. The reason for this success is every one of you who worked hard for it. As a gesture of gratitude, the organization helps grow every one of those who contributed to its success. Products of Vevetos. Vevetos realized that a healthy individual is the root of a healthy nation and introduced its first product, Dr. Chella's ONCOBAN. After lengthy research involving 16 herbs like turmeric, grapes, pomegranate, daru haldi, amla, etc., Vevetos came up with ONCOBAN, which is an excellent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, anti-ulcer, anti-tumor, anti-aging, anti-asthmatic, anti-stress, anti-allergic and is also anti-cancer. From tip to toe, it reaches every part of the body like heart, eyes, liver, lungs, legs and prevents diseases. It also speeds up the recovery process of those who already suffer from some disease. It has been testified by many users themselves that consuming 30 ml of ONCOBAN with 300 ml of water, either on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before breakfast, ensures a healthy life. Moreover, this is 100% natural and free from chemicals. It is worthy of mentioning that it has been certified by FSSAI. With the satisfaction of many of those who benefited using Dr. Chella's ONCOBAN, Vevetos presents its next product to you, Vevetos Viber. In today's world, the biggest problem that has affected most of the world is obesity. After a long research, Vevetos has come up with a proper solution under the name of Viber. Normally, weight loss supplements are protein-based. This requires physical exercise to balance the protein intake. Lack of physical exercise can affect the kidney to a great extent. For the first time ever, 0% protein-based and 100% safe for kidney weight loss supplement has been manufactured, and it is Viber. Further, it is sugar and caffeine free and does not demand any control over diet or physical exercise. It is one of the finest weight loss products made from 100% natural products like gugulu gum, papaya, green tea, Garcinia cambogia, guar gum, Indian ginseng and psyllium husk. Apart from weight reduction in a few months, it also has a lot of other benefits like it protects the heart, increases the level of good cholesterol and controls the level of bad cholesterol, controls the level of glucose in the blood, rich in antioxidants, eliminates cholesterol cells, aids in digestion and provides relief from constipation, relieves pain from hands, legs, joints, hip, back, etc., promotes anti-aging naturally, may support a happy and healthy sexual life. Consume a packet of Viber 20 minutes before meals with 350 ml of water. Before consuming, shake the mixture vigorously using the shaker cup. This guarantees weight loss and there are many who have benefited from this. OSDEODENSE. Following ONCOBAN and Vevetos Viber, the next product, Dr. Chella's OSDEODENSE, is a solution for yet another burning problem of people all over the world, which is osteoporosis. 1 in 2 women aged above 35 and 1 in 5 men suffer from osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a deficiency in bones. The bone loses its strength due to hormonal changes and deficiency of nutrients like calcium and magnesium. This leads to bent legs, pain in the neck, hip, back and lower back, spine, wrist, leg and foot bones, loss of height and hunchback, sometimes called dowager's hump. Even without an accident or a fall, fractures occur in the hip, spine, lower back, wrist, legs and ankles. There are multiple reasons for such deficiencies to occur, like genetics, lack of nutrition, lack of physical exercise, being underweight, smoking and drinking, intake of steroids, menopause at young age, removal of uterus and ovaries, etc. An immediate need for all aged above 35 and those affected by osteoporosis is Vevetos OSDEODENSE. Made with 100% natural ingredients like rosehip extract, Vitex negundo, balsamodendron, curcuma longa, Boswellia serrata, Cissus quadrangularis, glucosamine sulfate, zinc, vitamin C and vitamin D3. It is 100% scientifically proven to help those with osteoporosis. Consuming 2 pills twice a day in the morning and at night, 30 minutes before meals, and in addition 1 sachet OSDEODENSE in 200 ml of water either during forenoon or in the evening prevents grade 1 and grade 2 types of osteoarthritis and strengthens the bones. The 3 products by Vevetos, namely Vevetos ONCOBAN, Vevetos Fiber and Vevetos OSDEODENSE, are the best products to address the problems that affect many today. Vevetos has a vision, and it is to provide a healthy and natural life to everyone. Vevetos, that offers the right product at world-class quality, has its headquarters at the Bangalore World Trade Center. Created for the purpose of healthy life for all, it has chosen human labor over advertising as a tool to market its products. It has decided to invest the money for the benefit of the people instead of spending on advertisements. This has not only helped them realize the motto, healthy life for all, but has also transformed thousands of common men into successful and respectable people in the society. Come, let's create an even stronger nation and world by joining Vevetos.